Today I want to give a big thank you to Amber, who sent me these awesome wire looping pliers from Beadsmith. These pliers have the 13, the 16, and the 20 millimeter size. I'll link up below a tutorial I did with some smaller looping pliers from Beadsmith. Today I'm making this slip-on ring using the Multi-Step Looping Pliers from Beadsmith. I'll also be using the stick-step looping pliers, and I have the tarnish-resistant brass 18-gauge artistic wire. You're going to start with an 18-inch piece of wire, straighten it out a little bit, and a couple inches from the end we're going to loop it around with the looping pliers, and then I'm going to measure about 2 3/8 of an inch. It just depends on the size of your finger, and then I'll loop it around with the same size as I did the first bend. Straighten it out a little bit, and then I'll go to the next size down and turn it again a little distance from the end. Straighten it out again, and we're going to turn it and do the same thing on the other side with the same size loop. Bring it around, pull it, and then one more time with the next size down, we're going to take it and loop it around and straighten it a little bit, and then same on the other side. We'll just loop it around and make sure it's in the right position. Pull it right around like that. So now you have something that looks like a paper clip, and in the center we're just going to take the small end of our looping pliers and turn it around. This is just to finish it off. We're going to give it a little bit of a tug and clip it flush and pinch it down so it's not sharp. And then on the other side we're going to do another small loop, but towards the outside. This is just to finish it off so there's no sharp end. Tug it again, clip it, and pinch it down so there's nothing scratchy. So there we go, looks like a paper clip. And now we want to press the wires together so there's no overlapping wires. And we'll take our multi-step looping pliers at the medium size, hold it at the end, and turn it. Now the plastic on the one side of these looping pliers helps to grip the wire. And we're just going to slowly turn the wire around, a little bit of a flick of the wrist. And with these looping pliers, you're able to turn many wires at the same time and also turn thicker wire as well, because it really grips it in place. So now we're going to do the other side. Again, just turn it around. You can go really slowly and hold it with that rubber side of the pliers and just push it around, and then start to get your thumb and your finger to help it out a little bit and push it in. So we want the ends to slightly connect. So you'll see it's like an open style ring, and do any little adjustings that you need to do, and all the wires should be lined up. So now you can give it a little pinch with your flat pliers to make sure all the wires are lined up. Do any little bends or adjustments that you have to do, and you'll see it looks really cool, like an open-ended ring. And then to make it even more secure, get some 24-gauge wire and just give it a little bend and slip it through those 2 loops. And we're just going to slip it right through, pull them, and wind it around on either side. So get your flat pliers, pull the wire through, and you can wind it around 2 or 3 times. Using the 24-gauge wire is good because it's very fine, but it's also strong It's also the tarnish resistant brass wire from Artistic Wire. And then bring the other one around to the other side and do the same thing. Wind it 2 or 3 times just to hold those wires in place. And then give it a little pinch. Make sure it's all lined up. Do any adjustments you need to do. And it just slips on your finger like that. Beautiful, simple ring. Very funky. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.